This one goes out to all the nursing students who almost didn't pass this semester. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. So we are starting off the vlog at a humble 8 p.m. because it's been a long day. I haven't felt the best. My man is a little sick. So we just been chilling, made some tea, made some soup, nothing too crazy. But now we about to get the drinks going because we are both of age. So we're going to the liquor store real quick so we can get some liquor. Grandma, we're drinking responsibly, I promise. So no worries. And I'll see you guys when we get there. We're back from the liquor store. And what you're gonna need, we're making a B53. This is like one of my dad's favorite drinks. And if you like coffee, you'll like this drink. We're gonna start, we have Kettle One. So just any type of vodka, it doesn't have to be super expensive. Then we got Kahlua, which is like a coffee liqueur. If you like coffee, you could put this in your coffee. And then we have Bailey's. Oh my gosh, I just realized I'm actually done with the semester. So this can be like our cheers. Then we have Bailey's, which is an Irish cream. You're just gonna be doing equal parts of all of these liquors, I guess. And then you're gonna have a B53. So I have my 2 glasses, my shot glass, and then some ice. What? What do you say?
I'm just watching.
Whew, child. Should I do, I think 2 shots?
2 shots?
Like 2 of each, or should I just start with 1 of each?
However you want.
Or should I put the ice in? Let me start with the ice in first. I can't pop it out.
No, you got that on camera.
So we finally got our ice. Now we're gonna start with 2 shots of vodka. If you know, you know. Ooh. Oh, I think definitely 1.
Yeah, I think 1's fine.
Because look, that's already a 3rd. Now we're moving on to the Kahlua. I want to make drinks with Kahlua because, oh my gosh. Ooh, Lord. That smells good. Shot of Kahlua. And then for our final, we're doing a shot of Bailey's. So right now it's brown and then it'll turn like a nice creamy color. Oh yeah. And that is our mixed drink of the night. Very simple recipe. This one goes out to all the nursing students who almost didn't pass this semester. The people who were failing their med-surg exams, failing your peds exams, failing your maternity exams.
Right there.
But you figured out how to get through. You made a study group. You developed some good study habits, and now you passed your semester.
Was it good?
I don't know.
You didn't try it? I should have tried it before.
No. To another semester. Legit. Why are you making that face? You don't think so?
What face?
You think it's good?
Not strong though.
It's not strong.
It's good though. I bet.
B53. B53. It's good. Y'all, I'm just very excited because I'm in my final semester, and well, I will be in my final semester in January, and it's just like, this has been a long time coming. And I just can't believe we're here. May 21st, 2021. I'll be on to bigger and better things. All right, see y'all.